Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you what you need to know about Binance spot trading. Cryptocurrency trading is making so many people a lot of money online nowadays. Learning how to trade cryptocurrency is like learning how to be printing money from your home. Please, if at the end of this video you find it very helpful and useful to you, subscribe to the channel to help me grow the channel faster, and hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving my new videos. Now, let's dive in. Getting familiar with Binance spot trading. The first thing that we are going to look at is what is Binance spot trading. A spot trade is a simple transaction between a buyer and a seller to trade at the current market rate known as spot price. The trade takes place immediately when the order is fulfilled. Now, spot trading, it is a transaction that happens between a buyer and a seller at the current price. There is no waiting, and once the trade takes place, it takes place immediately the order is fulfilled. This is a public market where crypto assets trade immediately. You buy crypto from a seller with crypto. The easiest crypto to buy with is a stable coin like USDT, BUSD, and so on. Binance acts as a third party in form of an exchange. It facilitates the trade. Now, the work of Binance exchange in spot trading is to act as a third party in form of an exchange to facilitate the trade. It is Binance that is acting as a third party as an exchange to facilitate trade between crypto buyer and a crypto seller. The spot price is the current market price. The current market price, like you can see for Burger USDT, this is the spot price. The spot price is 0.847. This is the spot price. This is the price. If you are going to place a spot trading now, if you are going to buy Burger with USDT, it is going to be at this spot price 0.847. If you are going to sell Burger to USDT, it is this 0.8 price that you are going to do it. So this is the spot price of Burger USDT. The spot price is the current market price. Binance Spot Trading offers 3 spot trading options. That is, in Binance Trading, we have 3 types of trading options, 3 types of spot trading options. The first option is market order. The second option is limit order. And the third option is stop limit order. What is a market order? A market order is executed at the current market price as quickly as possible when a user places the order. When placing a market order, you can select amount or total to buy or sell. For example, show us what they are saying here. Market order is the order that utilizes the current market value. The current market value. Now, here we have amount here. If I want to buy 20 Ether with my BUSD, if I have sufficient balance here, immediately I click on this buy. The BUSD equivalent of 20 Ether will be exchanged in my wallet. BUSD equivalent of 20 Ether will be deducted from my BUSD spot wallet and be credited to my Ethereum spot trade wallet with transaction fee. That is an example of market order. Now, if I want to trade with total balance to buy 20 Ethereum, I need 31,384 BUSD. The BUSD equivalent of 20 Ether to buy this 20 Ether. So if I want to make it total now, you see, it will show me the exact amount of BUSD that I need to buy Ether. The same thing if you want to sell, your Ether, you can put here the amount of Ether to sell at market order. Then if you want the total, I put it there, you can see. So this is what we are saying. Now let me explain it to you that in the essence of amount, it is recommended when you want to buy or sell Ether with a certain quantity. You can see it's showing me Ether here, certain quantity. However, if I wish to buy Ether with a certain amount of funds, such as 10,000 BUSD, placing a market order with total is a better option. You can see I want to buy 20 here. I don't want to calculate anything in my brain. I just take it to total, showing me the total BUSD that I need. I want to sell here. I just go to total, telling me the total BUSD that I'm going to get. So that is that. Now, how to place a market order? How do we place a market order? It's just like the current of what we have explained here. Now, we are going to start by total. By total, let's say I have BUSD. I want to place 10,000 BUSD. So I'm placing my order. I want to buy 10,000 BUSD equivalent of Ether. So I will just click on buy, but because I don't have sufficient funds, the order will not be executed. If I want to sell also, just come here. Okay, I want to sell, let's say, this equivalent of Ether in BUSD. So it can take from my Ether wallet and come. I want to buy Ether. I want to buy BUSD with Ether. That is, I'm selling my Ether now for BUSD. So sell 10 Ether and give me the money in BUSD. Sell my Ether and send the money, convert the money to the current price of BUSD and send it to my BUSD spot wallet. That is what that is saying. So now also we talk about how to place market order with total, how to place sell order with total. Now amount also, is you can see the equivalent of the $10,000 is what has been calculated for me now. So if I come here also in the amount, is what has been calculated for me. So if I'm pleased, I will click on buy. If I'm pleased here, I will click on sell. It's not something that is very difficult. With the first, let's say, okay, I have 100,000 BUSD and I want to buy 50 Ether. I can just come here, say I want to buy 50 Ether. So to know my money, the next thing I will just go to total, just click total. You can see I'm not spending my money. I'm not spending all the 100,000 BUSD. I'm spending 78,537 BUSD. Okay, let's say I have 50 Ether. I want to sell 40. Let me just take it to total. Take it to total. You can see. So I'll be expecting 62,826 BUSD in my BUSD spot trade wallet. So that's what we are saying about market order. Now let's move on to limit order. What is a limit order? A limit order is an order you place on order book with a specific limit price. It will be executed if the market price reaches your limit price or better. You can make use of limit order to buy an asset at a lower price and sell it at higher price than the current market price. Now, limit order example. When the current price drop to order limit price or below, okay, let's say, let me go to the limit. So let's say we want to buy Ether at 1,400 or below. By the time the price is not up to 1,400 BUSD, this order will not be triggered. It will be placed in the order book. But immediately the price of Ether to BUSD drop to 1,400 or below, that order that is in order will be triggered. So it's a limit order. It's order that you place. You can place it. You can buy low and sell higher. You can sell high and buy low. So let's continue. When the current order drops to the order limit price or below, the order will be executed automatically if the price is above or equal to the current price. That is, this price we have placed this order now at 1,400 USD. When the order is equal or lower, limit order example. What are buy limit order? Buy limit order. When the current price drop to the order limit price or below, the order will be executed automatically if the price is above or equal to the current price. Therefore, the buying price of a limit order must be lower than the current price. The buying price of a limit order must be lower than the current price. For example, let's say the current price of Ether is 1,569.60 BUSD. If I place a limit order with a limit price of 1,400, limit 1,400 BUSD, the order will not be executed until the price drop to 1,004 BUSD or below it. A buy limit order with a limit price of 2,000, which is above the current price, the order will be fulfilled immediately because the executed price will be around 1,570.08. Let me explain that part. What we are pleased is saying is that the price of a limit order must be lower. Buy limit order, the price of a buy limit order must be lower than the current price. The current price is 1,570, and I'm placing my buy limit order at 1,400 USD. So when the price is below or equal this or comes above 1,004, but it must hit 1,004 because before my order can be triggered. Now, if I want to place a buy limit order, I mistakenly place it at 2,005. Now, immediately I'm clicking buy Ether. This order will be automatically triggered because the buy limit order is above the current price. So it's going to buy it at the current price, not at 2,500. It's still a buy limit order. But instead of me to place the price lower than the current price so that when it gets to that price can be triggered, I place it above the current price. So the order will be triggered immediately at the current price. The same thing happens to sell order. When the current price reaches the order limit price or above, the order will be executed automatically. If the sell price is below or equal to the current price, the sell price of limit order must be set above the price order. Now, if you want to buy or you want to sell Ether, now we want to place sell limit order. The sell limit order must be above the current price. Let's say we speculate that Ether will get to 2,000 BUSD. This is clearly above the current price. This is a sell limit order because we have speculated. So when the price gets to 2,000 or above it, this order will be triggered. It will be triggered. Let's say it gets to 201 and it comes to 199. The order will have been triggered because it has gotten above 2,000, equal above 2,000, and now below 2,000. Immediately it's crossing that 2,000. If it gets to 2,000, it's going to be executed, or slightly above 2,000, it's going to be executed. That is sell limit order. Now let's talk about how to place a buy limit order. We want to place a buy limit order. So in your Binance, let me show us how to get to the spot trading terminal. Going back to my dashboard. So from there, I will show us how to get to the spot trading terminal. So here, this is my dashboard. When you log into your Binance account that you have opened and verified and funded, place your cursor on trade. Place your cursor on trade. Now click on spot. Click on spot. Click on spot. So we'll use Ethereum BUSD for this example. Ethereum BUSD. Let's go and choose BUSD. So let's just search for it here. Ethereum BUSD. So this is the spot trading terminal. So now we want to talk about how to place limit order. The first thing you check is spot. Are you in the spot section, spot trading section? Then you click on limit. Here is the box to place the buy limit order. The buy limit order. So let's say we want to we want uh, we want to total. Let's use total. We want to buy Ethereum with 40,000 BUSD. So how many Ethereum is it going to give us? So you can see here on the amount side, you can see it will give us 25.3994 Ethereum with 40,000 BUSD at this price. But let's say you want to buy at, because we are talking about limit order, you want to buy at 1,004 and you want to buy 40,000 BUSD. You can see it has increased to 28.5714. So if I have sufficient fund now, easily I'll just click on buy Ether. So I have placed my buy limit order at 1,004 BUSD. So my order will be in the order book, waiting for my order for the price for the current price to hit 1,004, and boom, my order will be triggered. That is how to place a buy limit order. Now let's move on to how to place a sell limit order. Make sure you're in spot section, you are under limit order. Now we come to, okay, how many Ethereum am I selling? I'm selling 50 Ethereum. 50 Ethereum. But I want to sell this 50 Ethereum at when Ethereum gets to 2,500. When it gets to 2,500. You know, this is a sell limit order. The price has to be above the current price. The price has to be above the current price. So our current price is 1,772. I'm placing mine at 2,000. So I'm speculating that Ethereum, the price of Ethereum BUSD will get to 2005. So when you get there, sell my Ethereum. So if at that point I'm going to get 125,000 BUSD in my wallet, then I have enough Ether. You can see under the buy, the balance you are going to use BUSD to buy Ether. Then under the buy, under the buy order, buy limit order. Then under the sell limit order, you are going to sell Ethereum, your Ethereum, to get your BUSD, and you click sell. So we have come to the end of the video, getting familiar with Binance Spot Trade. We have discussed about what spot trade is all about, uh, how to place a spot trade. We have discussed that we have three types of spot trade: market order, limit order, and spot limit order. We've discussed about market order and limit order, how to place the buy market order, the sell market order, buy limit order, and sell limit order. So if this video has been helpful, or you found this video very educative to you, like the video, share the video with your friends and family, and comment on the comment section of the video. If you have any question, if anything is not clear to you, you can ask in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving the notification of our new videos. To get to the Binance Spot Trade directly, the link is in the description of the video. The link is in the description of the video. Thank you very much, and God bless you.